important day of significance of the Global Environment Day. I wish you all a very happy World Environment Day. With the immense privilege, I would like to welcome Director of the GB Pant National Institute of the Himalayan Environment, Engineer Preet Kumar sir. I would welcome the Rector of the Ladakh University, Professor Farooq. I welcome Head of the Ladakh Regional Center, GB Pant National Institute of Himalayan Environment, Dr. Subrat Sharma. I welcome the founder director of Ladakh Science Foundation, Engineer Tashi Sharing. I welcome Chairman of the Wildlife Conservation and Bird Club of Ladakh, Shri Lobzang Beshuda. I welcome all our members of all our partners in this event, the eminent scientists of Ladakh region, the academicians, civil society members, students, and participants of various events conducted on this occasion. I have an announcement. The chief guest and other dignitaries were not able to attend this event today due to a very high-level meeting from the Government of India. So we apologize for that. And now I would like to invite Director GB Pant National Institute of Himalayan Environment, Engineer Preet Kumar sir, for his welcome address. Over to you, Director sir.
So, thank you, Suresh. The distinguished dignitaries present here on this very important day of World Environment Day 2021. I welcome you all on behalf of GB Pant Institute and also on my personal behalf to this very important event which we are organizing online on ecological restoration of Ladakh, needs and opportunities. You will all agree that World Environment Day is basically celebrated to create awareness, to create the knowledge, sharing the knowledge among the people there. Normally we do it physically every year, but this year all of us know that this COVID pandemic has created so many problems, challenges for us. So we are organizing this online mode, and but our spirit is very high, and we all are here to celebrate the day as well as to create some fruitful discussions on the issues. Many of you may be aware that Institute is working in the whole Himalayan region with several regional centers, starting from the far east, Itanagar, then higher eastern Himalaya in Sikkim, and in Uttarakhand we have headquarters as well as a center in Srinagar, Garhwal. Then in Himachal Pradesh, a Western Himalayan center is there in Kulu, and this recently created center in Ladakh, which is so important ecosystem for the Himalayan region. And normally people say that Tibet is the roof of the planet, of this earth, but Ladakh is a roof for the country. So that is so important that everything is coming from there, and a large part of our northern India is dependent on Ladakh or Ladakh ecosystem of the Ladakh. So this event actually is very important, as I feel. Our institute also focuses on eco-restoration, and several models we have developed in other parts of Himalaya. So we can use some of these models after modifications in Ladakh region. I had an opportunity of interacting with the people of Ladakh in 2007. It is very old, but that time I had this opportunity when I visited there on the request of J&K government that time. So a lot of interaction was held, and I feel that many of the issues raised that time may be relevant even now. People talked about how to utilize this this apricot which you are having in plenty, that a kernel of that, how can we make the oil, how can we make some fruitful products out of that. All these issues were raised. Several diseases are also coming there in the vegetation, that was also issue which was raised that time. So now this our center is focusing on several similar issues as well as some other issues also where the inputs are needed in terms of scientific inputs. I feel our center also has a role there to facilitate. Actually, many of the institutes are not there in Ladakh right now. They will be coming up maybe in the future. So our role also is to facilitate with other institutions which are not present in Ladakh. But expertise of those institutions is also brought to Ladakh, and Ladakh problems are solved from that. So that is also what we are targeting here, because today we are celebrating this day as a eco restoration focused day. How we can restore the ecosystem which has already degraded so much. And you will all agree that our scientific knowledge is very limited. This has been proved by this small tiny particle, maybe not even nanoparticle, even smaller than that small virus. It has created such a huge difference in the world, and still we don't have any answer, which is we can say that it is 100% proof answer. So that indicates that our scientific research still needs to go very high. So that is what our focus should be for the today's discussion. How we can deploy the science, and how we can generate knowledge which is directly useful for the eco restoration, not only in the whole country, but it is specifically to the Ladakh region, which is a different ecosystem altogether. So I hope that this session will be very fruitful. Unfortunately, we thought that we will listen to Honorable Governor Sir, because that gives the direction to the not only to our institute but also to all other participants also, how to work in the Ladakh region, what the government is doing. So maybe some other opportunities will come. So I again welcome you with my heart to this session. I hope that this event will be very fruitful and we will generate something worthwhile, and that documentation which we will produce after this event will give us something which we can promote, which we can press to the government to implement in the region. So thank you very much, Suresh and others, for participation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your guidance and remarkable words. Now, we are releasing a book on the birds of Ladakh today. And for that, I would like to invite Dr. Subrat Sharma to kindly have a short introduction on the book, sir.
Namaskar, Jule. Good morning to everyone. This is my privilege to introduce a book which is a very significant contribution towards the science and the development of knowledge on birds in Ladakh. This is a amalgam of civil society, scientific institutions, and custodian of law. All three came together to bring this book. Interestingly, Wildlife Conservation and Birds Club of Ladakh joined hand with the GB Pant Institute, and they have a very good field knowledge on the birds. They have captured many birds photographs as well as new reports for Ladakh. So their valuable contribution brought to the science behind this AV fauna for the Ladakh region. This book has 5 chapters, and especially it goes beyond the description of books. It will serve as a historical book tracing all the records of the bird studies since 1858 to till date, May 2021, when the Bird Club of Ladakh reported few more new species from Ladakh. So it is a very comprehensive account of the entire time frame and different studies, different new reports. This book contains 5 chapters. I request Dr. Lobjang, please, if you can share within a minute with your experience with this book. Lobjang, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Subrat Sharma ji. Yes, it is a privilege that we are part of the coming up book, which you are going to release today. Yes, the Ladakh Birds Club and its members have been in the field for the last almost 6-7 years, and then joining hands with you in publication of this, and then the Department of Wildlife Protection supporting it, the guardian of the law as well. and making it an amalgamation of three, stakeholders coming together and bringing it this one. Very significant, and thank you so much for making it happen, especially when it comes to financial part, and then scientifically, technically, going back to the 1800s. Yes, this book definitely will encourage younger generations to go into the field and know their ornaments of the mountains that we call know their surroundings, especially avifauna among the youths. So definitely Ladakh Birds Club had somehow managed to influence a lot of youths into taking wildlife birding and wildlife photography trips. So as we speak now, in the last couple of weeks before we have finalized the book, I think we do have one or two more records from Nubra by one of our members. So this is how it is happening. And for conservation or for restoration of nature, I think the community at the site and their knowledge, their inclusion, as I was speaking to you yesterday, Dr. Sir, inclusive approach is so important so that everybody can participate. So this has been our mantra, that every youth of Ladakh are welcome to take part and be part of our organization, and then join this movement of studying and collecting data and even learning for themselves for enhancing their lifestyles, life. So this is my word. Thank you so much for bringing in me here. Thank you, Dr. Subrat Sharma.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Now I request our director, Kirit Kumar ji, for release of the book, which is the very first kind of its product from Ladakh. Sir, you may release the book, please.
I don't know what this is there. Then this is, I just declared this book is released from here. And I hope that this you will be making the e-copy of that also, and e-copy will be shared with the participants there. So thank you for all this, and maybe because I have to leave now for the next meeting, so Subrat, I think you will take care of the rest of the program there. Okay, because this
thank you.
This is very
interesting
book, but yes. So thank you very much again to all the participants, and very good luck for the whole day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kirit Kumar, sir.
Thank you, sir. So,
Now I would like to invite Dr. Subrat Sharma to propose the vote of thanks for the session. Thank you, sir.
Jule, namaskar, good morning. In a very unfortunate circumstances, the entire galaxy of the speakers, those who have given us the vision and the guidance, all of sudden disappeared because of the high level meeting suddenly came from the Delhi. So we could not had with us our Honorable Lieutenant Governor, sir, and advisor to the Lieutenant Governor, sir. Similarly, the Forest Secretary, all of them are occupied with the meetings with the PM and Ministry of Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. The very latest development had happened today. But we are with the full our energy and enthusiasm. We are holding this our webinar and the inaugural ceremony. To making this happen, many people were behind this, and I want to propose a vote of thanks to all our dignitaries who said they agreed to appear to be part of the inaugural session, but for the could not happen. So the Honorable Lieutenant Governor, sir, who kindly agreed to participate in that, similarly the advisor, sir, and the Principal Secretary to the UT Administration of Ladakh, Dr. Pawan Kotwal. I thank all of them to agree and conceiving this program. They had a very good inputs when we were making this program. I propose a vote of thanks to our collaborators first, Ladakh Ecological Development Group LEDEC, Ladakh Nutritional Project, LEH. But I am very in depth with the two organizations. Ladakh Science Foundation, Engineer Sharing Tashi is with us, and Wildlife Conservation and Bird Club of Ladakh. Those are the major motive and forcing agents behind the program to make it a successful. And similarly, all the organizations, especially the academic organizations, our delegates to whom we requested to participate in a very early manner, but they agreed and contributing very significantly to this program. I am also thankful to our esteemed judges, for we conducted many competitions during this for World Environment Day. So I am thankful to all our esteemed judges for their contribution and time to conduct and evaluate many entries. It was really a very good entries we have received this year, especially slogan and the photo competition. We are a tremendous participation, and I believe that our judges had a very tough time to evaluate each and every. Then I propose a vote of thanks to our students, those who very enthusiastically participated in this program and conducted. They participated in various competitions. And I propose a vote of thanks to many organizations, especially the KVK, Ladakh University, and EGM College. From there, many faculties is participating and contributing to the today's webinar. And I propose a vote of thanks to our media and persons for covering this program. And at the last but not the least, I propose a vote of thanks to the members of GB Pant National Institute of Himalayan Environment, Ladakh Regional Center, and Department of Wildlife for making a lot of actions behind to conduct this program. Thank you very much, sir.